Yeah man, what's up everybody? It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel. We already know it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Hope y'all are feeling excellent today. I know I am. We're here, we're alive, we're healthy, we're working towards our goals. So you don't know, today I'm gonna be detailing this badass Ferrari. The wheels are done, so I'm going to rinse the Ferrari and then I'm going to foam it up. Customer's request to use this product, so we're going to test it out today. According to him, it works excellent, so let's do it. You don't know, it's your boy Prince Trilly. I'm here with Clean Car Chris, washing the Pista and the SVJ. So I just want you guys to know, out of my two cars,
I really like this one more, the Pista over the SVJ. The reason why, it's just an all-round better driver's car, and it's just mellow, you know what I mean? This is the backbone, makes a lot of noise, you know what I mean? Shoot the flames and all of that stuff, but this one here is my favorite.
Yeah, man, you heard what Prince got to say. Yeah. Blessings. Yeah. Big day today. Prince blessed me coming through, detailing the Ferrari and the Lambo. Like I said, excellent day today, guys. We're blessed. So you don't know, it's a yard man thing, you know. Straight, unity we say. You guys want to see this? Yeah man guys, the Ferrari is complete. Take a look. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Make sure to hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. If you don't know, subscribe to the channel. It's only about good vibes over here, you see me? So you don't know, Clean Car Chris. Bless.